Hey everybody, so I went to Home Depot, picked up some tools, some Milwaukee tools, and some other items. So stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Alright everybody, so I picked up this right here and all of this wood right here. So we're gonna start this off with, I picked up the Milwaukee 2488-22 or 20, my bad. So it's again Milwaukee 2488-20. It is the M12 soldering iron. And I picked up, this is just the bare tool, which is the 3-inch compact cutoff tool. It is part number 2522-20. I also picked up 2 of these 5 3/8 inch 18 tooth Diablo blades. And I picked up, I bought a couple items from Jason Reynolds. He had the M12 3/8 crown stapler. I already paid him for that. And I picked up these staples. I picked up 1/4 inch. There's 1,250 of them. I picked up because they didn't have the 1,250 pack for the 5/16. I picked up 5/16, 5,000 pack. So item number for the 1/4 inch 6mm T50 Aero staples is item number 504. Next size up, because 1/4 inch is 6mm, the 8mm are 5/16, 5,000 pack. The item number for this is 505 IP. I picked up the 3/8, which is 10mm, 1,250. The item number for this is 506. 1/2 inch 12mm, 1,250 of them. I picked up is 508 is the item number for this one. 17/32 is 13mm. This is a 1,250 count. It is 50 CT, 50 Charlie Tony. The 9/16 or 14mm T50 Aero staples is 1,250 of them, is item number 509. The Diablo blades are, and they also come with 3 bushings included, 5/8, 1/2 inch, and 10mm arbor size for these. It's 5 3/8 18 tooth. They are, if I can even find them. It says Milwaukee and DeWalt is 10mm for the arbor. Skill is 1/2 inch, and Skill and Makita are also is 5/8. But I'm looking for the part number. I'm not seeing a part number, guys. Oh, item number is D053818WMX. Dog 053818 Whiskey Mary X-Ray. And then I picked up one 12-foot long 2x6 and 2 8-foot long 2x4s. And I had them cut the 2x6 for me, so they were equal 6 feet, because I was using my 4Runner. And then I also picked up these 2.5 inch long by 9 flathead with nibs. It's a T25 star drive, gold, type 17 point. Pretty positive these are 2.5 inch long. Let me check just in case. Yeah. 2.5. Yep, they're 2.5 long. Not sure what the by 9 is. It's the first time I've bought these, but figured I'd give them a try. So I got 2 of these, and the receipt is right here. So everything was $288.20, and then there was $26.51 in tax. So it came out to $314.71. So yeah, I think I'm going to end the video here, because I can always take some of these out of a box on a different video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.